Selecting the appropriate cord for use in a water fountain requires careful consideration of its water resistance properties. While I cannot provide a definitive answer based on specific cable types like SUR, SV, or SBT-1 with water resistance markings, let's discuss the general principles and considerations involved in choosing a suitable cable for such an application. Firstly, understand the environment. Water fountains are inherently wet environments, exposing electrical components to moisture. This necessitates using cables specifically designed and rated for wet locations. Secondly, look for cable markings. Cable jackets are typically marked with codes indicating their properties. While a specific water resistance marking might be elusive, look for terms like wet location, sunlight resistant, which often implies some degree of moisture resistance, or standardized UL or ETL markings that certify the cable's performance under specified conditions, including moisture exposure. Thirdly, consider cable types. Several cable types are commonly used in wet environments. Some examples include, but are not limited to, firstly, type UF underground feeder cable, which is designed for direct burial and is highly resistant to moisture. Secondly, type W cable, which is a heavy-duty cable often used in industrial applications and is designed to withstand wet conditions and physical abuse. Thirdly, submersible pump cable, which is specifically designed for use in submersible pumps and is highly resistant to water damage. Fourthly, marine-grade cable, which is designed for use in marine environments and is highly resistant to corrosion and water damage. Fourthly, consult the National Electrical Code or NEC. The NEC provides guidelines for selecting and installing electrical equipment in various environments, including wet locations. Section 400.4 of the NEC covers flexible cords and cables, and it specifies the types of cords that are permitted for use in different applications. It is important to consult the NEC to ensure that the cable you select is permitted for use in a water fountain. Fifthly, check for UL listing. Underwriters Laboratories or UL listing indicates that the cable has been tested and meets specific safety standards. Look for the UL mark on the cable jacket. UL Standard 817 covers cord sets and power supply cords, and it includes requirements for water resistance. Sixthly, consider the cable's insulation. The cable's insulation should be suitable for wet locations. Thermoplastic high heat resistant nylon coated or THHN and thermoplastic wet nylon or TWN are commonly used insulation types for wet environments. The insulation should be resistant to moisture absorption and should not degrade in the presence of water. Seventhly, check the ampacity. The cable must be able to handle the current draw of the water fountain's pump or other electrical components. Consult the NEC Table 310.15. B16 for allowable ampacities of insulated conductors rated up to and including 2000 volts, 60 degrees C through 90 degrees C ampacities. The ampacity of the cable should be equal to or greater than the calculated load. Eighthly, ensure proper grounding. Proper grounding is essential for safety in wet locations. The water fountain should be properly grounded to prevent electrical shock. The grounding conductor should be sized according to NEC Table 250.122, which covers minimum size equipment grounding conductors for grounding raceway and equipment. Ninthly, use watertight connectors and fittings. Watertight connectors and fittings should be used to prevent moisture from entering the electrical system. These connectors should be listed for wet locations and should be properly installed to ensure a watertight seal. Tenthly, consult with a qualified electrician. If you are unsure about which cable to select, consult with a qualified electrician. A qualified electrician can assess the specific requirements of your installation and recommend a suitable cable. In addition to these general considerations, here are some specific points to keep in mind. Firstly, consider the water fountain's operating voltage. The cable must be rated for the operating voltage of the water fountain. Common voltages for water fountains are 120 volts and 240 volts. The cable's voltage rating should be equal to or greater than the operating voltage of the water fountain. Secondly, consider the cable's temperature rating. The cable must be rated for the operating temperature of the environment in which it will be used. The temperature rating of the cable should be suitable for the ambient temperature and the temperature of the water. Thirdly, consider the cable's flexibility. The cable should be flexible enough to allow for easy installation and maintenance. A flexible cable will be easier to route and connect. Fourthly, consider the cable's resistance to chemicals. If the water fountain is used in an environment where it may be exposed to chemicals, the cable should be resistant to those chemicals. The cable's jacket and insulation should be compatible with the chemicals that may be present. Fifthly, inspect the cable regularly. Regularly inspect the cable for any signs of damage, such as cracks, cuts, or abrasions. Damaged cable should be replaced immediately. Sixthly, protect the cable from physical damage. Protect the cable from physical damage, such as being crushed or run over. The cable should be installed in a way that prevents it from being damaged by equipment or other objects. Seventhly, keep the cable clean. Keep the cable clean and free of dirt and debris. Dirt and debris can trap moisture and accelerate the degradation of the cable's insulation. In summary, selecting the correct code for a water fountain involves considering the wet environment, looking for appropriate cable markings like wet location, consulting the NEC, checking for UL listing, considering insulation type, ampacity, grounding, using watertight connectors, and consulting with a qualified electrician if needed. Remember to always prioritize safety and adhere to applicable electrical codes when working with electrical equipment in wet environments. When selecting a cable for a water fountain, it is important to consider the specific requirements of the application. The cable should be suitable for the wet environment, rated for the operating voltage and temperature, flexible, resistant to chemicals, and properly grounded. Regular inspection and maintenance are also essential to ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical system.